Alright. I'm sorry if I haven't been posting lately. I just been mostly focused on TikTok since that's where all the viewers is, all the content is. But anyways, happy New Year's Eve. I just woke up. I am still recovering from a hangover. But later on tonight, I'm gonna have to recover for a hangover tomorrow morning, which is the new year and my first hangover of the year. So I'm gonna head to work for a bit, and then from there I'm gonna come back home, get ready, and I'm gonna head over to Las Vegas Boulevard. But I'm going on the bus because they are charging for parking for today, even for the locals. Normally, Monday through Friday, locals are free to park wherever in Caesars Entertainment properties. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I am making some dinner, be cleaning up my clothes, and I'm about to go to the bus in a bit and try to get there by 10 o'clock. Whee! Look at that. Got myself the New Year's dinner before I head to the strip, made by yours truly, the sparkling water. And I don't care what anyone says, this is exactly how a steak is supposed to be cooked. If there is no red inside, or at least no hint of red, you're just basically chewing on a meat flavored gum. Got the mac and cheese too, I almost forgot, with some tomatoes and chilies I made earlier. And I'm about to add some barbecue sauce, but okay, so like I said earlier, I am taking the bus and the metro train. Yes, we have a small metro that takes you to certain casinos. Due to the streets being shut down for the whole night, and driving to wherever you want to park is going to be a bitch. I haven't ridden the bus in 4 years, but I'm able to navigate easier than most people. The other reason why I don't want to drive to the Las Vegas Strip is because even though parking is free for locals at certain casinos, on special events such as tonight or weekends, they're charging everyone full price, if not more. Just one of my last vlogs of the year, being a tourist in my own city. Looks like they started the party early on the east side. I just got off the metro. I haven't been on the metro in 10 years. It still looks the same as back then. But this reminds me of the Mexico City train station. I would say New York, but New York's more lower platform than it is high platform. This looks exactly like Mexico City. The signs, the doors, everything. I just got off the metro because they were experiencing some delays, and I wasn't gonna wait that long. But regardless, I'm still nearby where I want to go. Look, as you can see, the link, Flamingo. I gotta use this elevator. Yeah, this is why I love the train station, because you could just take the elevator instead of having to carry your luggage. Oh, don't mind me getting my shoes clean. Got the cake factory. The cake vending machine right here. Only in Vegas they got that. But there's a catch to it. These are not baked daily. They were made in some cake factory somewhere in New Jersey, and they were kept there for weeks. And they're overpriced. They're like $20 per cake. But do what you want with that information. See, it's just raining hard, but the rumors turned out to be true. The police do have a Tesla Cybertruck, but we ranked 48 in education. So I just came up the stairs because I was going to do something else. And with this, many people here, they say that this part right here is where all the fireworks happen. I couldn't agree more. So although Christmas is already past, they still have this up for a bit until after tonight. Oh, it's really packed during this time of the year.
I got one bullet in my gun.
Excuse me. It feels good to see this one last time before it goes away next year, starting tomorrow. Alright, so I didn't get some earlier, but I was literally sitting right here, and then a pipe exploded and it's filling up.
it's possibly from the rain that's outside, but it's quite a way to start the new year. And I believe that 2026 is going to be the new 2016. I'll bet your ass on that any day. Alright, as we head 1 more minute, I hope whatever it is you want to accomplish next year, you will. Love, fortune, whatever, you will get that. I wish to say more, but it's about to be the new year. So let's celebrate. The fuck you want to do? Oh, we just got done with the New Year's countdown. I'm gonna just head home because there ain't nothing else to do. This is the last year. This is my last year here in the US before I leave to Mexico. New Year's in Mexico should hit different more than New Year's in the US. So yeah, like I said earlier, blessings to you, and I hope whatever it is you want to achieve, you do it. Happy New Year's. I'm gonna try to be as less political as possible, but you know a country has become a regime when you see military troops in the street instead of the usual police. Look at that. This is the sign of a dictatorship, a regime. And you see this stuff a lot in places like Venezuela, North Korea, China. You have your military in the street. So I was just gonna head home, but I realized that I can't head home without doing this first. Okay, here you go, boss. Here's something to start off the New Year's right, man.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. God bless you.
Don't mind if I hop into the Mexico City Metro. Alright, like I said earlier, we are in the Mexico City Metro.
I just got home right now. It's about 3 in the morning. I would record with my camera, but I'm charging my camera right now. So as I got home, I had to hop on the monorail and I had to wait for 3 more trains due to every single one of them overpacking. From there, I went to the bus station that I came in from, and I wasn't gonna wait until 4:30 for the next bus, so I called the Uber and I called it a night. Otherwise, it was a great New Year's. It was a great time being able to spend my last New Year's here in the US before I leave to Mexico. And I appreciate not only the people who subscribe to me, who follow me on TikTok, but to anyone watching this video in general. Like I said the past 2 times, if you put your mind to it, you can accomplish anything you want. Thank you for being there, and I wish you all the best in this new year. There has been a saying that good health will be yours for a long time, and a good time to start something new is now. So yeah, Happy New Year's.